Welcome everyone back to the channel. Today is February 18th, 2020. I am actually on my way walking to our tractor. Tristan had to leave the farm today to go help finish up some fencing again. Yesterday we started our construction on retrofitting an old dog kennel to fit our needs of we needed a pig pen. So that's what we did yesterday. If you haven't seen it, go back, check it out. But today I'm going to be flying solo. So I'm actually going to get the tractor, hook up the disc, re-disc our garden so we can start planting hopefully next week if it's not too rainy. It's very overcast today and it's also super humid, like very uncomfortably humid. But that's what we get for living in South Mississippi, so it is what it is. I just want to say thank you all so much. I did a thank you video, when was it, 2 days ago I think it was, and since then we've gotten 16 new subscribers. So if you're new to the channel, if this is your first time seeing it, thank you so much for showing some interest in our content. It means a lot to us. We're just out here working, bettering our farm, our homestead, getting the work done that we need to. So it's super exciting to see that interaction and our community grow on YouTube. So thank y'all so much. It's truly awesome. Yeah, so I'm just walking through an area of woods that we've been clearing. Now it's been clearing off camera because we've showed so much of it, but gonna hop on the tractor and then go over to our 2-acre garden. Right now it's kind of just dirt and some of that grass rooted, so that's why I'm gonna re-disc it real quick. So do that today, and then we'll see what else we can do. Got the disc hooked up to our tractor. About to go out to the garden and disc it up. Should be pretty awesome. We're gonna go check on the chickens real quick. They are, oh my god, I think they're 10 days old now. Well, 10 days that we've had them on our farm. So it should be pretty awesome. Let's look. Oh yes. These babies are getting so big. I'll put y'all down in there and get a little close up. So yeah, our baby chicks are nice and big. They're getting so big. They're getting, each day it's almost as if they grew so much. It's so surprising. After we disc this up, I'll come in there and I'm gonna change out their wood chips and everything, refill up their water and their food. But yeah, it should be pretty good. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. everyone. We do live in a wildlife management area, so we have some hunting dogs running across our property chasing a deer. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Hope you all enjoy. We had two hunting dogs actually on our property chasing a deer. So that just shows you that living in a wildlife management area, your farm being in a wildlife management area, always shows like some crazy stuff between animals being killed or hunted, harvested and stuff like that, or people's dogs running across your property. So when we rebuild our fence, we won't really have to worry about it as much, but it is what it is. I mean, it didn't look like there was a blood trail or anything like that from the deer. They just must had it sent. So, but I got the garden disked. It looks really good, so I'm happy with that. We're gonna go check out a spot that we're gonna start clearing for this fall. This fall's hunting season, and it looks like it's gonna start raining again, so probably be wrapping it up soon. So let's see what it looks like. So yeah, as y'all could see on my drive over here, this is going to be the area where Tristan and I make a food plot. We'll have to clear out this stuff. We'll bush hog it. Then we'll go ahead and disc it up, and then when it gets closer to actual hunting season, we'll well, not closer, probably around end of August, maybe end of September, we'll start doing some more work out here. But we're just gonna get this cleaned up a little bit and get this in kind of like a better spot than what it is. It's all grown up. We have these trails going through our property. For the most part, all y'all have seen is roughly half of our property, maybe half of our property, but we have about 25-30 acres of woods that are like this, super dense. We have some trails going through it. Almost all of our trees on our property are actual hardwoods, so we have beautiful trees like this. We have quite a few that are leaning from rain and stuff that we're going to end up felling and dropping, but for the most part, all of our trees are super awesome, so great. I'm so excited to share this with y'all and be able to experience our journey with you. Like, that's what's so exciting. Every day that we get new subscribers and stuff, I'm just like, oh yeah, that's another person that can travel this path with us and just learn and experience awesomeness. Like, this is going to be great. This whole YouTube platform and our channel with everyone, it's going to be awesome. It's going to show people that all the hard work that you put in and everything, and follow your dreams, that you can have something super amazing. So thank y'all so much for watching the video today. I hope y'all enjoyed it. It's just great. I'm so excited. tomorrow there'll be another video, and I hope y'all enjoy that as well. If you do, go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all tomorrow, guys. All right. They returned. So yeah, like I was saying, we live in a wildlife management area, so you get hunting dogs. That's gonna be interesting. So yeah, I guess we'll just let him chill, and if he's still on the property, we'll look at his collar and